Good afternoon. Question number 5. Solving system of linear equation strategy. There are choices here. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use the strategy substitution. So I have two equations here. These are 2x plus y equals 13. And the other one is 5x equals 25. I just want to make it clear. Equal means they are equal. The value here is supposed to be equal to 13, and the values 5 times x is equals to 25. So, I'm going to look at question choices A. Okay. If I look at choices A, the choice A, they said x is 3. If this is 3, and the y is 5 plus 5. If I multiply 3 by 2, do you think it's going to equal to 13? Let's see. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5, it's 11. This is not equal to 13. So choice A, it's not an answer. Okay. Choice B, x is equals to 5. Okay. And y equals to 3. Now multiplied by 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 3 is equals to 13. Now this answer is equal. They're equal. But let's verify if this choice match on the other equation here. So 5, the x is going to be 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 is equals to 25. So answer is B. Next question. Question number 6 says here, consider the system of equation 3x minus 2y equals 15. 4x plus 3y equals 3. The same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to test all of the choices. So this one is 3x minus 2y equals 4x plus 3y equals, I'm going to change that color. This is 15 because I know that this equation is equals to 15 and this equation is equals to 3. I'm going to verify. Choice A, when x is equals to 5 times 3, it's 15. And y is equals to negative 2 times 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, it's plus 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19. It doesn't match this number here. So I don't need to check it on the right side because it doesn't work. Choice B, when x is negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And y is negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6. Negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3. It doesn't match this number here. Choice C. This is 3 times 3. It's going to be 9. And the y is negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. they are the same number. They are correct. We need to verify it on the other equation here. So when x is 3 times 4, it's 12. And y it's negative 3 times 3, it's negative 9. 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. It matches the number 3. So both equation works. So answer is letter C. Next number 7. Consider the system of equation of this is number 7. Negative 2x plus 2y equals 0. 5x plus 3y equals 16. Okay. We're going to test the answer choice. The first equation is supposed to be equals to 0. The second equation is supposed to be equals to 16. Okay, let's start. Choice A, when x is negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and the y it's 2 times 2, it's plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. It doesn't match this number. So A, it's not the answer. Next is B. When x is negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and y it's negative 2 times 2, it's negative 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. It matches the number there, but we need to verify if this match on the second equation here. So when x is negative 2 times 5, it's negative 10, and y is negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. The answer, negative 10 minus 6 is negative 16. It doesn't match. So it's not letter B. Letter C, when x is equals to 2 times negative 2, it's negative 4. And y is equals to negative 2 times 2, it's negative 4. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. Doesn't match. X is letter D. Let's try letter D. When x is 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Then y is equals to 2 times 2 is equals to positive 4. If you add them, it's 0. Matches. Let's try it again here. When x is 2 and y is 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. It matches the number 16. So answer is letter D.